Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the all-new 2021 Buick Envision Preferred. Now the standard engine on the new Envision is the 2-liter turbo, one of my favorite GM motors out there, especially for 4 cylinders. Ebony Twilight Metallic over Whisper Beige, $37,040 is the total price as equipped. This redesign is a lot different than the standard Envision. I was a fan of the normal Envision, or the previous gen Envision, I should say. But this is just a whole lot better. So only the Avenir does it, where this will disappear. Yeah, it looks good. Really does. Take a look at the back seat. Yeah, nice work in here. Interior is way different. So not bad at all. Nice soft touch materials. Shifter, a little bit different. So the Envision's always been based on the same platform as the Equinox. Now with the incoming redesign for the Equinox, it's long overdue for one. This is probably going to be, at least driving dynamics wise, very, very similar. Now I just stepped out of, actually right before this was the Blazer, then the Equinox. It's similar but different in all the right ways. It's a bit more comfortable, and it's just nice. It's nice to drive. Nice, we got some more cars. Because obviously, unless you've been to our lot before everything happened, this, you couldn't see through it. It was that crazy. We got some Sierras and Tahoes. Perfect. That's all actually what we need. Honestly though, this is my first time driving one. I did 3 laps of the route I took in this video, just so I can kind of get used to it. I like driving newly refreshed cars more often, or for a longer period of time before filming, just so I can get used to everything. But we finally take that off the showroom floor. About time. That thing has been on our lot. I don't even want to say. Probably about a year. Oh, we sold it too. I see a template on her. This is just comfortable. I like it a lot better than the previous Envision. The previous Envision, you could get the 2.0 in it, and that was a very, very nice vehicle, but it just didn't feel as luxurious as it should have been for the price. This changes that. The 2.0 is standard with its like 260 horsepower or something like that. It's pretty good. And in terms of luxury, everything's just how nice it should be. You're not sitting here thinking, oh, for this money I could have got something a bit better. No, it's just how it should be. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.